What if one peaceful morning routine could completely transform your entire day and energy? Wake up gently and stretch your body with deep, mindful breaths filled with pure gratitude. Feel fresh energy flowing as you move with calm intention and complete inner peace. Walk softly into your kitchen, ready to create a beautiful and nourishing new beginning. Prepare your matcha with love and full presence, turning this moment into a sacred ritual. Savor the first warm sip as it gently awakens your senses and calms your mind completely. Mindfully prepare a colorful breakfast that truly fuels both your body and your soul. Eat slowly with full awareness, tasting every single bite with deep appreciation and joy. Open your journal and write 3 things you are truly grateful for this beautiful morning. Set your positive intentions clearly and visualize the successful day waiting ahead for you. Breathe deeply and release any remaining tension still hiding in your shoulders and mind. Move your body with light, joyful movement that feels natural and incredibly good. Connect with yourself in peaceful silence and listen carefully to what your heart truly needs. Step outside for fresh
Okay.
air and let the
Sweater
morning
off.
light fully energize your spirit and soul.
Feeling energized
Smile
now.
at your reflection, knowing you have already chosen peace and self-care today. Carry this beautiful, calm energy with you into every task and every interaction ahead. Remember that how you start your morning powerfully shapes everything that follows after. You truly deserve this peaceful ritual that honors your mind, body, and beautiful soul. Small, consistent habits like this create the calm and successful life you desire. Feel stronger, clearer, and more grounded with every single passing second of the day. This is your special time to reset, recharge, and step fully into your personal power. Beautiful, mindful mornings always lead to beautiful days and even better tomorrows. You already have everything you need right now to create an amazing life ahead. Carry this calm confidence and peaceful energy with you throughout the rest of your day. Your peaceful morning ritual has already begun to beautifully change everything for you.